Christian here for Pro3 Properties. Welcome to another episode of Pro3 Properties in St. Catharines, and today is a very exciting day. We are taking possession of our next project, and I have a big smile on my face and I'm wearing a mask. I got a mask here. This has absolutely nothing to do with COVID, and I'm going to show you guys why I'm a very, very lucky person. Okay, let's go check it out. Yes! How lucky am I? So we just took possession of this duplex today. And yeah, I think you might know why I'm wearing that mask. I don't have to wear it right now, but once we get closer to the basement, I might want to wear it. So yeah, I'm the lucky owner of this brand spanking deteriorating duplex. And it doesn't bother me, guys. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't faze me. It really doesn't. And one thing I kind of found out is that I think they might have a bit of a insect problem. I think that's what you call an insect. Upstairs is much worse. How do you guys like the matching light bulbs? Pretty cool, huh? I think this used to be white at some point. Yeah, so this is the bottom unit. Oh, this, I gotta show you this. So guys, a lot of people tell me, a lot of people say like there's no opportunities out there, there's no opportunities in real estate's too expensive, prices are too high, yada 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 yada, okay? So I just wanted to show you, when I look at this, right? When I look at this right here, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I call opportunity. Opportunity is written all over this place. So let's go check this out. Duct tape. All right. Yeah, opportunity, this is basically the definition of opportunity. And I'm not afraid of this. I'm not scared of this. I'm actually excited. I'm happy, I'm excited, and I can't wait to get started. And yeah. Oh, wonder what happened here. Who knows what happened here? Okay, guys, let's get to the interesting part. So I'm going to put on my mask. I'm not sure if you'll be able to hear me 100%, but at this point, I'm going to have to wear my mask. And it's not because COVID is hiding in the basement. It's not. Oh boy. All right, guys. I'm lucky because they left me a spare litter box. Honestly, how lucky am I? I feel like I'm the luckiest guy right now. Furnace filters, sweet. So I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this in this video, but these stains here, these stains in the basement, so yeah, this is the basement. It's kind of it's not very useful as far as converting this into a living space or anything like that. So this basement is basically only storage, and we won't be able to really do much here, and that's fine. But when you see these stains, I really wonder what happened here, because the smell indicates it's not something that you would want to have in your basement. Oh, cool, I can work out here. Wicked. Yeah, so check out this furnace. Decent condition. So why am I a lucky guy, guys? I'm a lucky guy because I got a really good price on this property, and we're going to turn this property into something really desirable. We're going to add a hydro panel. We're going to separate the service. We're going to get rid of all this junk, and whatever the smell is, that yeah, I don't know what it is. It doesn't matter what it is. We're going to get it done. And this is all opportunity here, all opportunity. So for those of you who are telling me that in 2021, you can't buy real estate, you can't buy properties, there's no opportunities out there, I'm showing you one right now. And we just took possession today, and I'm super excited to get started. Let's go upstairs. There's a garage that's only used for storage. Awesome furniture, perfect. I'm glad they left that for me. A bin, perfect. A hammer, I definitely need another hammer. Okay, so guys, this is the second unit. Oh yeah. Lovely. Okay, cool. Some shoes, boots, some clothing, flip-flops. Perfect. Oh, that looks relatively new. I'll take it. Interesting ductwork. More furniture. Amazing. All right. So yeah, this unit is not too bad, except for all the insects that are literally everywhere here. I'm not sure if you can see that, but I've seen quite a few. The bathroom. Huh. I've seen worse. I've seen worse. Okay, so each apartment has 2 bedrooms. And lots of cat litter, so perfect. Yeah, that's probably some damage that was done in the past, so they patched it up. All right. Those probably don't work. Probably haven't worked in years. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this duplex tour. We're super excited to get started, and yeah, I don't know, maybe there's like a mixed message here, but this is proof there are opportunities, and if you're willing to roll up your sleeves, get dirty, do the work, put in the sweat equity, that's something that, you know, a lot of people seem to misinterpret. Sweat equity. Sweat, what does sweat mean? I'm going to be sweating in here. Okay, I'm going to be sweating in here today, tomorrow, on Monday, on Tuesday, and probably for a few weeks. So that's sweat equity, guys, and it's going to be a success, and I'm excited. And if you guys want to let me know if you've taken possession or purchased a house like this before, or if you're interested in doing that, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video. Pro3 Properties, St. Catharines, Ontario. Peace.